Yo, what is good, guys? Daniel Savage here. So welcome to the what is a lot size video. Well, basically a lot size is basically kind of like the position, like the size of your position that you are throwing in a trade. So for example, I see this perfect little, break and retest, or this Fibonacci, or whatever the case is. In this case, rejections to the support. I'm going to risk, let's say 35 pips. This would be my entry. Stop losses under the wick, to target back here, the neckline. And let's see, if I can risk, looking here, it'll be a 3.3 risk to reward ratio. So let's say I have, $1,000 on my account, and I want to risk, let's say 4% on this trade. I only recommend people risk between, 1 and 3% for beginners, and once you start advancing, between 3 and 5%. So let's say we want to risk 4% on this trade with a 35 pip stop loss as we have here, and the currency is, let's just say GBP USD. This app, Stinu, lets you put in everything. So for example, I would be risking a 0.11. That would be my lot size, because if you go here on the app, you put in your account balance, your risk percentage, and the stop loss in pips. So in this situation, like I said, let's say we have, $1,000. Oh, let's get that there. $1,000 in our account. We want to risk, now let's say 3%, and we want to have a 50 pip stop loss. It'll change. Currency pair, you choose any currency, whatever you're trading, and then boom, it'll show you right there. So you get that focus. Boom, 3%, $30, a 0.06. That would be your lot size on your account. So, at the end of the day, guys, it's very important to realize how to calculate your lot sizes before throwing them in a trade, because you can't throw with just any number, because you can over leverage and then you'll be risking a lot more. So let's say you end up risking 20, 30% of the account. You only got 2 more trades, and then you're done with the account. Other than that, if you're risking 1 to 3%, you're going to have to take 33 bad trades in order to lose all your money, which honestly, I've never seen anybody in the history of Forex lose more than 10 trades in a row. So, I'm telling you guys, everything when it comes to trading, you got to know how to calculate your lot size through risk and discipline. And this app, Stinu, Stinu, you can download it. You see Apple, anywhere. You can download it anywhere. Android, whatever it is. You guys can download it. It's so simple. It's so easy. I wish this app was alive when, I first started trading, because, man, it was so confusing. But that is basically the best way to calculate your lot sizes and risk. So that's basically it for this video, guys. It's nothing major. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's just fairly simple. That's how you do it. You download the app. You put in your account balance. You put in your risk parameters, how much you want to risk. You put in the stop losses you're willing to risk on this trade, and it'll calculate it per your risk. It'll always change unless you keep doing the same, risk to reward ratios. You know what I'm saying? Like a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. Other than that, guys, it's the best way. Don't need to, complicate everything. And that's basically what it is, man. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.